Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. One of my subscribers sent me a link to some free fonts, and they have other fonts if you want to join. But they also have seamless patterns in the free part. I will leave a link to the website, which is creativefabric.com. I've got it on fonts right now. You got images. But if we go to fonts and go, well, let's try images. And let's go freebies. And here's, well, these are, I guess it's just free fonts. So you just pick one of these fonts. I mean, these are seamless patterns. So if you wanted to, we'll just do one. So I'm going to double click on there and you're going to say download. Now, I always have, I'm going to maybe later, I always have trouble unzipping font files. So if you go right here and find it and right click and show in folder, I'm going to go ahead and put that folder in my picture folder. And then I'm going to go to picture folders. And there it is right there. I'm going to right click on it and I'm going to not open with a zip. I'm going to open up with Windows Explorer. And then I'm going to say open. There it is right there. It's a JPEG. Just double click on it. Now you need to go up here and save it. And we're going to save it as autumn, and it's save it under my pictures. So then you just go back to Corel and right click and import it and just type in autumn and say import. Well, I must have hit the wrong, there's the zip. I do not like zip. Here is a JPEG. I'm going to import it. I'm not going to drag my mouse. I'm just going to right click it. So this is a seamless pattern. So if we make it something easy to do, so we're going to do, my ratio is locked and I'm going to set my nudge factor on 10 inches. When I hit the plus key and go up, the pattern's seamless. When I select the both and hit the plus key and go right, so you can make this pattern as big as you want it to be. And it's pretty cool. It's sharp. You can see a line between the two, but there's a way to get through with that. Let's just take away a couple of these. And when you want to get rid of that line, let's see if we can see the line on the middle part. Can't really see it. There it is right there when you kind of click and drag the mouse. So I don't know in printing if that would affect it. But if you will set your nudge factor on 0.01 and click one of them, let's get where we can see that line. Can't really see it. There it is. And just nudge it down. Look at that. It took away the line. I don't do any printing and everything, but I'm always looking for free fonts. I still love DA fonts. They have a bunch of free fonts, but they also have a bunch of, well, you can contribute to the author or you can actually set up an account. I've never set up an account. I've never had trouble, but that's pretty good graphic right there. I mean, it's pretty sharp. So I thank that viewer or subscriber. And I mean, I just picked out 4 fonts and downloaded them. And I've never seen this one before. I really like it. And it is a vector font, so you can do anything you want to with it. You know, let's make it orange. Let's take away the outline by right-clicking. Let's go to Object and break the font apart. And then, well, you might be able to use the Interactive Fill tool now just on that. Yep. So you could put yellow there and really change that font like anything. Anyway, I hope that helps somebody someday, and thank you for watching.